Hello everybody, LW here, 2022, Happy New Year. We're getting ready to conduct our first video workout of the year. As I said, video. So, all of you need to keep in mind, we all need to exercise, and I know if you are anything like me, and I know you are, you did a lot of eating from Thanksgiving all the way through to Christmas and to New Year. So now it's time to do something about it so that we can get prepared for November through December once again, because the same thing is going to happen. So let's get busy. It's time to do some sit-ups and some crunches. So here we go. Okay, as you know, we are working with the LW500 Latch bar exercise system. This is a resistance band and strap attachment system. It is perfect for your private home gym. So now I'm going to turn towards our Deluxe wall mount system. This is your stationary home gym. And now we're going to conduct some pull-up crunches. Okay, I'm just going to remove the floor mats out of the way. Sorry about that noise. That's a little better. We're going to get them all out of the way, because now we're going to use the Deluxe wall mount system. Yes, this is the same system that you recently saw me assemble. Only this is one part. I made it so that you can also have it, because I made it modular. That means you have it in 3 components so that you can assemble it in your home and do the same type of fitness exercise that you see me doing. So, here we go. Let me make sure I can account for my little workout here. Otherwise, these old physical fitness, if you don't set them, it'll count for it, but not in the right mode. So here we go. We're gonna do multiple exercises using the Deluxe wall mount system. We're gonna start off, or we started off with the pull-up crunch from the floor. Most of the exercise now will be either standing up or we'll be utilizing the bench, whether it's in this position or in a perpendicular position to the board, to the wall mount system. Now we'll do a pull down crunch instead of a pull up crunch. Then we'll go right into what I call a side crunch. From left to right. Now we're starting to feel it. We're going to grab what's called the sidebar setup. We have hand grips with a medium resistance band, and it is doubled, which generates more resistance. Make sure you breathe in properly when you're conducting your exercise. Make sure you're physically fit enough prior to conducting any exercise. Now we're going to do pull downs. This pull down, we extend our arms and we pull down on the resistance band. Then we're going to reach up to the resistance bands that are higher. And they are set up using hand grips once again. But now we're using the upper Deluxe latch bar. And we're going to do some pull downs. Instead of extending your arms doing a press, we're actually going to pull ourselves, we're going to try and pull ourselves out of our seat, so to speak, by doing a pull down. Now, of course, if you had enough resistance, you probably could pull yourself out of your seat. You want to work those back, shoulder, forearm muscles adequately. So using this method, you will certainly accomplish that. But we're overall taking a look at what you can do using the home resistance band workout system. This is your home gym. And if you repeat what you're doing so that you can get an adequate workout. Now, you only saw me flow through the first portion by just doing just one set. But you don't have to stop at one set. You can go back and you can do the pull down crunch once again. You can do whatever you want to do to get yourself the workout that you're looking for. And you don't have to do the full set of what you pace yourself at 25. You could go back and do 10, do 15, do 5, whatever it takes to get your body in the condition you want it to be in. Work on those arms, work on those abs, work on the necessary parts that you need to work on. This kind of looks like the same thing, but it's on a different level. So that means you're doing the exercise differently. Oh yeah, this is not as easy as it looks. Or should I say, it's not as easy as a lot of you think resistance band working out is. It's as difficult as you make it, or it's as easy as you make it. It can be effective, and it can be ineffective, just like anything else. Remember, in order to get anything out of it, you got to put something into it. Just like anything else. So yes, you could do isometrics. in addition to doing your regular workout. So once you extend your arms or extend the resistance band and hold it in one place, now you're doing an isometric. And all of these workouts are very, very beneficial. They're better for your joints than the regular traditional weight. And you can accomplish the same thing if you know how to use the resistance bands to work out. Now, of course, resistance bands are very, very therapeutic. So you can do a lot of recovery using resistance bands, as well as strengthening and toning. This exercise here will get you prepared for doing push-ups. Or if you don't like doing push-ups, here's the alternative. Now you can move out further from the wall so that you have more resistance if you want. You would just move your whole bench out more. The more you stretch your resistance, the more difficult it's going to become. Also, you can just add another resistance band. To either side, you can add a resistance band on each side to increase your level of resistance and, of course, your level of difficulty. And it's best not to let your resistance band snap back into place. Always let it go back into place, if you can, slowly. That way you will get the full effect of the resistance band. Don't stop there. Then you turn around and then you pull on it. you get the most you possibly can out of every one of your exercise. You even grab the sidebars. Grab the sidebars and do some pulls on those also. And the ones up top, you can actually grab these and you're not even done yet. So now, we can take the bench, and as I said, we can turn it perpendicular to the wall, and we can continue to conduct exercise using the attachments on the wall. Already set up, you can do multiple different exercises with everything. You don't have to just utilize it to do one exercise. Do as many as you can. Now, we have attachments where we can conduct more pulls. This exercise is good also, not only for your back, but for your abs. Some of you that don't like doing push-ups, or I mean sit-ups, you can also utilize this to help your abs. And there's much more we can do. With this same one, we can actually lay on the bench, bring this over your head, and now you can conduct a press. Of course, if you wanted to add more resistance, you could do so. Now we will grab the other, we have another attachment. One thing that's good about the latch bar, you can attach multiple items. As you can see, they are like utility bars. So now, I'm going to stand up and place myself in between the latch bar, and the wall unit. Because now we can conduct a press, a military press. How about that? Sitting on the bench, we'll conduct the press. How about that? Then you can go back and repeat whatever you want to. You can do as many sets as you want. And remember, one of the best things about your private home system, there's no one around to catch germs from. How about that? You can work out whenever you feel like it. There's no membership. You can get your refreshments whenever you want. You can change your TV channel whenever you want. You're in a comfortable, safe atmosphere. For you ladies, there's no guys trying to hit on you. And for you guys, the same thing applies. Everyone wants privacy. This is how you get it. Have your own personal gym. The LW500 Latch bar exercise system does that for you. Log on to my website. My website is www.lw500products.net. All of the flat components are wall mountable. If you want an entire system, that's available for you. We have mini systems, which is called a basic mini system. That mini system will fit on a door in your home. It's 2 feet by 4 feet. The Deluxe wall mount system, it's 6 feet by 3 feet. And it comes in sections in order for you to assemble. Very easy to do. The mounting hardware comes with it. So you will have a sanded piece of furniture ready for you to stain, ready for you to polyurethane or leave it plain. And it doesn't take up any space. It's on your wall and it's out of the way. So let's get in shape. Everybody, getting in shape will generate good health. It'll also help build your resistance. You need your resistance level to be raised as high as possible. So working out will also do that. So don't shortchange yourself. Get yourself the system that you need in order to do the workout that you need. And if you like working out with resistance bands, well, this is it. This is the only attachment system that exists. That's an adequate attachment system. I've seen some attachment systems. They don't come near this. There's straps that go onto a door. This is a mounted system that you can have security. It's safe. The latches, each latch, 300 pounds, each latch. You can attach it as it comes with the toggle bolts. Everything is secure onto the wooden fixture that it comes on. You can't go wrong. You'll get a full system right out of the box because it will come with resistance bands and also accessories in order for you to get started. So this is the system. It won't have all of these attachments. I'm not trying to tell you that. But it will have enough attachments for you to get started. And then, of course, you'll have to add to it, just as I have added to my system. Resistance bands are available on the web. Everybody knows where to get resistance bands from. This system is compatible with all resistance bands, whether they are flat or tubular. So don't hesitate, log on to my website, www.LW500products.net, and you can also see almost 200 workouts on YouTube. My YouTube channel is the Latch Bar. So you log on to YouTube and put into the search field the Latch Bar. You'll see my workouts. Subscribe, please. Give me some subscribes and also give me some likes. We also want to see some more length views because you know all of this stuff is tracked. Needless to say, it doesn't look all that favorable. So I'm asking and I'm letting you know what needs to be done in order to help me out. Thank you very much. Back to the workout. And if you have any questions, I'm available through the website. I'm available through email. I'm available through messaging. I'm also available through my business phone. So my business telephone number is located on my website. And you can also see different demonstrations on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter. But the best place to see them is on YouTube because they are all there. And all you have to do is just subscribe and you will be able to see every demonstration and you will be able to see also how to set up your newly purchased Deluxe wall unit. Thank you all very much, and I hope your new year started off just like you wanted it to. Have a wonderful year, and stay tuned because you will see a lot of me. Have a great day.